Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. With the iOS 18.1 update, now you get some cool Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone. One such cool feature that you get with the Apple Intelligence is the ability to remove people and distracting objects from your photos. Take a look at this photo of myself looking at the iconic Burj Khalifa in Dubai. I have some distracting elements that need to be removed from this image. Let me show you how you can clean them using the Apple Intelligence tools. Make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled on your phone. Now go to the image that you want to edit and tap this edit button. At the bottom, now you get a new option called cleanup. All you need to do is just tap on it and Apple Intelligence will analyze the image and suggest if there are anything out of place that needs to be removed from the picture. It will analyze and highlight the parts that need to be removed. Here there are some outdoor umbrellas. All I need to do is just tap on it, it will disappear. So there are also other things that I want to remove from this image. As you can see, there is a line of bulbs just running across this image right here. It's a huge distraction to this image. I prefer to remove it as well. What I have to do is just draw a line over it and the Apple Intelligence will analyze it and do the job. As you can see, it is completely removed from the background. It's completely disappeared as if it was never there. I also prefer to remove these cranes on top of the buildings. I can just draw a circle around it. It will just disappear just like that. Now I have a very clean image. If you make a mistake while editing, you can simply undo it just by tapping on this. Once you have finished editing, you can just tap done. It will save the image in Photos app. By looking at this image, it's difficult to say if this has been modified using Apple Intelligence. But if you tap on info or if you just swipe up, you will find here that says modified with cleanup. After saving the image, you can revert it to the original form. Just tap edit here and tap here on the option that says revert and revert to original. So now your photo will be revert back to the original form. Let me know in the comments whether you find this feature useful, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more iOS updates in my channel.